So my experience of using this M330 wireless mouse is I'm very impressed because this mouse could reduce the click noise when we press.
According to the info in this box, up to the 90% of the click noise can be reduced, and this can provide a maximum quiet sound experience when clicking the left or right button.
Additionally, the M330 wireless mouse does not require any driver to be installed into your laptop.
To connect it easily by poking the USB mouse into the laptop's USB port. Moreover, it has enhanced optical tracking where it provides high performance accuracy and intelligent cursor control on any surface.
Besides that, the M330 wireless mouse is also very ergonomic where it provides comfort for users, especially for long-term sessions such as office workers, gamers, and students.
As you can see, the design of M330 wireless mouse is very nice because of its matching and comfortable on my fingers.
And what I really like about M330 wireless mouse is it has power saving mode function where it minimizes the use of battery, where it has auto sleep function after 15 minutes of idle and can turn on it back by simply click the left or right button, and this mouse uses an invisible optic to run.
मिलने तो पहला फोन लॉक ते क्यों लाया सीधा कह ही दिंदी नंबर ब्लॉक ते क्यों पाया किस्मत तेरी बहुत चंगी सी तेनू जान दिता हाथ मैं गलॉक ते नहीं पाया सीधे रास्ते तू पा गई है मैनू भावें अंदरों ही अंदर ही तू खा गई है मैनू तेरे जान पिछों एक फायदा होया अज लगदा है लिखना सिखा गई है मैनू मेरे उत्ते झूठे लाए सी बलेम पर रॉयल दी शान देख कट दी